Hello everybody, this is a continuous series of Android security and exploitation. So in this video we are going to look at hard code issue. So what do you mean by hard code issue? It is something sensitive inside code. If we reverse the source code, then we will be able to see sensitive information. For instance, we can find something like API key or URL or crypto algorithm and so on and so forth. So in order to reverse Android application, we are using JDAX. There are others tools to decompile the Android APK file. So we are going to analyze the application and find this secret key. So let's begin. So this is our hard code issue part 1. So let's get inside. And our hint is developer sometimes will hard code sensitive information for ease. So in order to find this, we are going to download first ZX. Okay, I have somewhere. Yes, this is the one. So after you have downloaded the ZX, you will get a zip file that would be this one, and inside it there is a bin folder. So when you extract it, you will get bin folder, something like this, and we need to copy that div.beta.apk file into bin folder. So after that's been done, let's open in terminal, and we need to once again go back because we need to connect this system into Android. That is our virtual box. So in order to do that, we have ADV. So let's connect it. Let's open the terminal and let's try device. Okay, it's not starting. It's starting now. So another would be ADB connect. That would be my device IP address, that is under Android. So let's keep it this, and let's see. Once that has been established, connection has been established, we can try the ADB. Let's see the process. For that, we can use ADB, then cell. So this is our file name. So once we have known that, we can just try ls, then use ZX, then give a file name DIVA. It will decompile automatically. So let's wait for a few seconds. Once the process has been done, it creates automatically a folder that would be this, and let's go inside it. Here we can see resources and source. Here we are trying to find a source code, so we are going at source. Then let's cd. So our processor name was this, so definitely it will be inside the source code. So let's go. Okay, cd and diva. Okay, let's clear it out, then let's do ls. So our program name is HardCode So here my Android device, so hard coding issue. So here is our file, hard code activity. So let's cat it out. Let's see what's in it. So let's cat hard code activity. Okay, so I have to correct it. So here if we type here 1 2 3, okay, access denied, see you in hell. So here this is Java file. So here we have main file. So here is a condition blah blah dash is dot equal to vendor secret. So this is our secret key in order to log in. That should give us access. So let's access granted. Thank you.